I'm making handmade cushions. How? With tufting. I'll be creating 6 cushions inspired by popular interior moods: natural, mid-century, bohemian. Let's see how they're made. First, I'm sketching out the cushions. Each one is 45 by 45 centimeters in size. Sketch is done. Starting with the main color, number 37 green. Once the yarn is set on the yarn glide, we're ready to go. I've marked which techniques I'll use for each section, and now the tufting begins. Before moving on, carving is a must. Switching to number 33 light mint for the cut pile areas. Using the same color to add some loop textures. For a pop of color, I'm adding number 28 ultramarine and number 29 cobalt blue. This section will use Hofmann to create height variations. No air gun? No problem. Easy Tuft gun does the perfect job, like this. Let's fill in the air gun part. And carve clean lines as always. By combining mixed yarns in the air gun, the line work is complete, and so is the first cushion. The mid-century modern cushion uses a similar process. Its key accent color is number 2 ivory. Carefully carving it into a neat square shape, then finishing it off with clean line details. Now onto the bohemian style cushion. This one features a diamond pattern and vintage colors. Everything except the diamond shapes will be done with AK3. Lastly, the natural mood cushion. Unlike the others, this one doesn't have a set pattern, so I'm keeping the style more organic and free. Once I add the air gun line work. That's a wrap on the tufting cushions.
And it.